Hey guys, Tim Coates here again with Adonis Detail. Wanted to share this project we just finished up with you today. This received our level 2 paint correction and ceramic coating package, as well as our full frontal clear bra and Expel Ultimate Plus. We also topped the film with our exclusive film coating designed specifically for paint reduction film and vinyl surfaces. So I want to do a quick walk around, show you the final outcome of this. Extremely happy with the final result. Turned out really glossy. As always, all edges are wrapped over where possible. Mirrors are done custom. Fenders, hood are done custom. Front bumper is also done custom here in one seamless piece. No cutouts, no joining seams. Looks much better that way, plus you get some additional coverage. Everything is all coated, including the blackout of the trim. It makes this red really pop. Now this coating will last anywhere from 5 to 7 years or more, depending on maintenance and use. It's extremely glossy, extremely water repellent, dirt repellent, UV protection, and other contaminants repel from the surface, as well as increasing the shine of the car. Now this coating goes on in one layer. There's no need to layer this coating because it actually would repel the additional layers. There's really no benefit of layering coatings, even though some are claimed to be designed that way. Our products are designed to be applied in a very thick layer where it bonds and has a top coat that rejects anything on top of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.